What legacy really looks like. Touring the KSC building with big dreams and bigger responsibilities. Hey y'all, it's Karen Denton, your KSC bidding consultant. But today, I gave a lender a tour of the KSC building, a 10,000 square feet, 3-story commercial property that carries both a dream and a weight. I shared my vision, including the new idea of turning part of the space into housing. This building, y'all, stands as a symbol of legacy, second chances, and ownership. But it also comes with the reality of financial strain. It doesn't yet bring in enough revenue to support itself, and I want to show you what it truly means to hold space in your community when the income doesn't match the impact. So if you ever dreamed of building something bigger than yourself, this video is for you. I want you to watch this video, comment, and share your thoughts below. What would you do with this kind of space?
All right, y'all. So this morning, just kind of looking at the KSC building. I have a tour scheduled for the day. So I'm up on the 3rd floor. This is the 3rd floor. Turn on some more light. All right, y'all, so this is the KSC building 3rd floor. Oh, I still ain't sent my sister that link yet. Let me send her the link. Bathroom. I didn't mean to stop it, but this is before I got the building, thinking I was turning on air and wasn't. All right. Yeah, so even up here on the 2nd floor, I'll show you the potential of the 2nd floor. So this room here, now this is a nice size room. And I got a big desk in here. Stuff I brought from my house when I went to the apartment. But if this room could get drywall, and you see over here, it could have a sink. So this would be nice attraction if it was completed. And then this here, I call this my mock office because I just wanted to see how it would look and how things would fit in here. So this is this office, and there's 3 offices this size. One here, one here, and then this one is the smallest because it has like a furnace thing, this thing in here. So this room should be more like a storage. And then here is where it's leaking from the 3rd floor. This is what let me know that there was something wrong upstairs. And I left it so that I'm trying to get some help, so I left it. Yeah, so, yeah. And all this space here. Now, there's a room in here. This could be like 2 rooms. He came with the building. He's not a business owner. He's just, I don't know, he's a musician or something. But I made this a little conference room. And mind you, all the stuff just about all but the desk and my gym stuff came with the building. Like, there were books. Look, it's some books here. I didn't even show you that. More books. So, yep, so this is the KSC Building. KSC Building. Oh, I forgot to show y'all my mirror. It got broken to move though. My exercise mirror. Yeah, it come on and it got lines like how you when you break a phone. Yeah. All right, so let's go downstairs. Let me let y'all see downstairs. I hear my tenant down there. Left something up there. All right, so this is the entry. Let y'all see the front of the building. Yeah, when I'm here by myself, I lock myself in. Because you can't really hear when nobody come in. Let me cross the street. That's my building, y'all. Can't wait till I can get some new awnings. But yep, that's the KSC Building. Yep, y'all, so I'm pushing. I'm really pushing. Okay, so here I got some of my stuff. KSC. And then I have co-working space. I have a esthetician in here. This office is still available. This is co-working space. I have a notary who sits there. And this is my office. Y'all see I found a solution to my lights cutting out. And just imagine, work for a cleaning company. I mean, I am a cleaning company. And we know how to do these lights. But mine, for some reason, it won't stay on. No matter what, the switch don't work. So, and then we have 2 restrooms. It's pretty big in here. And then this one here. And up here, still don't know what to do with this area yet, but we make it as like a offset lounge area. Say if you were having a event in here, like we changed this around, move the tables around and stuff. So if you were having an event in here, your overflow could be over here. And over there is a little cooler for like a bar setup. And then, let me go this way. And then, the kitchen. It has everything except the stove. So, and this is the kitchen. One day we'll be able to revamp this, but for now, it's sufficient. And this big closet where I keep our uniforms and some other building stuff. So here's the view from this side. It's a pretty big room. And we change it around a lot. So, y'all, that's the KSC Building. It's a lot to maintain too, y'all. It's a 10,000 square feet building. 3-story building. Alright. And let me show y'all something why I say you need to educate yourself. And this is just, some of these are old, but this is just some of the certifications and classes and stuff that I've taken and completed. I try to keep stuff updated. Yeah, so you wanna keep learning and keep learning. All right, y'all, so this is what Legacy looks like. And not only that, this is a community building for the community. Like, we have my newest tenant up front is insurance, life insurance and stuff. I had an esthetician, and then I'm a big resource. And I bring all the information here and post it in the building. So I want this to be whatever the community needs. And so far, it's housing. So, okay, guys, I'm not talking about bidding today. My focus has been on the building today. Like I said, I had a tour of the building today with a lender. So, let's see what happens. Talk to you guys later. Now, I visualize this as the kitchen. Let me show you. Show you how big this room is. And then there's a closet down here. And then see all this. This is why I did the GoFundMe. Because before I got the building, they had to fix all this, not knowing it was a leak in the roof. So it came all the way down through here, and somebody had put this bucket here, and it over flooded, which damaged downstairs, and I brought this bucket up, and it's almost full. So now that the weather has broke, I'm trying to get estimates to see how to get that fixed. But this would be a nice kitchen. And then, say it was rooms and stuff, this could be like a little lounge area, another bathroom over there. Somebody could have a private room. That could be a VIP prime room. And then, I don't know what kind of hookup this is, but I figured it could be an island here. Because if that, I don't know, whatever that is. But, yeah. Have that here, have like little, then you still got this side over here. Like this whole, let me see if this light works. No. There's lights all over this place. Light sockets all over this place. Still, these don't work, but they got the old breaker boxes in here still. But yep, this could be, like, it could be split in two sides. It could be a lot of different rooms, more than what I said. Yep. you figure this. If each one of these, and just think, the room won't be this big as one of these squares. See it? Do it this way. I know I'm messing up my video. Let me not do that. Yeah. So, see them be some huge rooms. Yep. So, that's what I'm trying to get opened up so the building can pay for itself. Because my cleaning company can't keep paying for this. Got my own expenses. So, don't want to, I'm not a quitter. I can't give up on the blessing that God gave me. So I got to push and push so I can make this building a legacy. All right, y'all. Talk to you later. All right, y'all. So this morning, just kind of looking at the KSC building. I have a tour scheduled for the day. So I'm up on the 3rd floor. This is the 3rd floor. Turn on some more light. All right, y'all, so this is the KSC Building 3rd floor. Oh, I still ain't sent my sister that link yet. Let me send her the link.